I don't finish am. You say you no go make I go. What be care for me so ko? Where ja ubini so ha? Na him say bini nu ko it me say sare ye biribi. Hey, me wo fa kan kama beto so a. No se be jana wa jana yi a abrante. Den na hwe besi. Hey. I mean frɛ ofa. Kwase asem say no onam no ototo no otwi akai. Hello. Enko. Embrantu ase ya no me no mu. Hello, uncle.
Yeah, my son. What's the problem now?
Uncle. Where you there? Can you come? Ah, you go fit come right here right now. No. I dey my office. Oh. My office, the toilet there, yeah. The boy where they suspect it be the criminal I dey suspect. He come here. Where me then I dey ask him of why they tease me. This boy say make I leave and make you go toilet. As I dey talk, he vex. Now so you remove in trousers. He do one for here, uncle.
For my holy ground. Hey. So people say young boys of nowadays, that's why they die quick like that.
He do one for here in front of here. The land where you gave me, your promised land. You do one for top, uncle come, make you come.
So that shit still there for my holy ground. Pick them, go and find rubber bag. Carry the shit, put inside rubber bag. Put them there for me. I they come. I go show up where power lies. Carry all the shit. Put inside. I they come right now. Boys of nowadays, do not they respect. You come shit for me, my land top. What you do? You carry the shit. I go show one where power line. Boys of nowadays, no they respect. That's why they die early. For my holy ground, where I build my holy toilet. Moki de wa babu de church me koda dada woja akokoro ne jale machine yes akokoro ya koda dada you this stupid rat grow on to the extent that this land top where they come shit because of your stomach the food you go still I go show am but for the culture before you go work don't give me hand to hand like that throw it to where he did the thing. Why he do am? Throw it there. Make I go carry am myself. Oh, well done, my son. Now this same place you do am abi. Okay, I go show am say me. Now we Koko. I dey play my table tennis. These boys of now they know they respect. They make me old man. They carry your shit because of Papa Nyefia Boni Nyefia. Go show am wickedness. I go put pepper, onion, garlic, ginger, all the spices where they make man stomach they burn. I go put them for top and I go show them. Say you don't touch the tail of a lion. You make me old man like me, gray hair like me, carry your shit. Close the toilet today, don't work. If anybody come, tell them say no shitting today, no shitting. The lion don't vex. Close them. Somebody don't can't carry my machine. Also, where my machine too? Hey, where my machine? Hey, so it be ghosts where they live with us for this area or Abi be what? Somebody can carry machine where I take the work right now. As I they go carry shit, now so somebody can carry the machine too. Hey, now when I go have work to do, they have work. The work we go do this week, now plenty. I go kill person. I go kill person, kill it. Be my hobby, I go kill them. Once I get your feces, your shit, where you don't carry. I don't know if you be the same person or what. I go keep it this Christmas. People go die like fire. Nonsense of no such. Hey, make a friend go home, go find place, hide this shit. Before I go see what I go take to the person who can't steal my machine. We dey use our mind. This life if you use of mind though. If you use your mind, you go use our mind to chop. What are they? Hey, my brother. First drink water. Because the story I want to tell you, if you not drink the water, story, you know if you drink again. I don't know how the story goes. Water is sweet oh. Thank you, my brother. Now you can tell me what be the rundown? Okay, it be that rude boy for this area. He matter again. This bad boy. This boy, what he do again? I don't know what he go chop, what he go stay where he make his stomach the run. He just come to my foreign land. When I talk of foreign land, my holy land, where my private toilet today. Say he won't go toilet. Where my grandson, he say no. This boy, you be the one who always dey teach me when I dey sell fish for town. Say the boy where I dey sell fish, so you no go fit go to this toilet. I no go allow you make go. Instead of you to beg, hey, this boy just remove in trousers. I go do one for you. I go do one for you. Just try. I do one for my holy land. When my son call me, he say, Uncle, come see. The only thing I tell him say, find rubber bag, carry the shit, I'm inside rubber bag, and take give me, and they can't collect. And they take go. My brother, you know say me feeling in the home. I go fit show you the shit right now, and they come for your land, talk for your land. You know the fear. So you go carry his shit. My brother, this be the shit, and they talk. This boy die. This be the shit. I know what the bad boy should now. I got that's why he say I don't finish water.